Life happens. Any home can go from just right to needing unexpected repairs or even a living space upgrade. Pipes burst, ceilings leak, AC breaks just in time for summer, or you're way past ready for that dream renovation. Good thing you can fix it now using your Synchrony Project Card. You can use your available credit beyond where you first opened your account and pay over time. It's easy to get started. Visit the business locator at syfpros.com. Choose a local contractor or service professional from more than 40,000 Synchrony contractors. Finance your project with your existing Synchrony Project Card. Upgrade HVAC. Update windows and doors. Create an outdoor oasis. Spruce up your bath and kitchen. Your Synchrony Project Card helps make it easy to renovate and repair. Use it again and again whenever you need it, with different local contractors. Need a higher credit limit to make repairs? Call the toll-free number on the back of your card. When life happens at your house, use the Synchrony Project Card to fix it. Visit syfpros.com to find a local contractor today.